How to set up Telus Wi-Fi Booster 2025 step by step. Weak Wi-Fi can ruin your home internet experience, but Telus Wi-Fi boosters are designed to fix that. Most people install them incorrectly, so here's the right way in 2025. First, plug the Telus Wi-Fi booster into a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Location matters more than people realize. Wait for the light on the booster to turn solid, indicating it's powered on. Next, open the Telus Connect app on your phone. Sign in using your Telus account credentials. In the app, select a device and choose Wi-Fi booster. The app will automatically search for the booster. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your existing network. This usually takes a few minutes. Here's what most people get wrong. Don't place the booster too far from the router during setup. A strong initial connection is essential. Once connected, move the booster to its final location if needed. The app will confirm optimal placement. After setup, test your Wi-Fi speed in previously weak areas. You should notice improved coverage immediately. The surprising truth is that one booster may not be enough for larger homes. Telus allows multiple boosters for full coverage. In 2025, Telus Wi-Fi boosters work best when placed correctly and managed through the app. Subscribe for more home Wi-Fi tips that eliminate dead zones.